Hey guys, Neil here. We are back with another video, and yesterday we're going to talk about some of the important questions that were raised in the last AMA. Also, in this video, we're also going to talk about Plus Finance and the airdrop status. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So we have here the AMA recap, and as for the team, Chapter 2 is close. Hopefully, this is the last AMA where they can't give a date. They're still working on it, guys. Of course, it's delayed, but I'm hoping for the best, and I think they just want to make the transition smooth. Let's go over some of the important questions here. So, a lot of games will beat you guys if you don't make any quick changes. I think there has to be some events or filler events to make the game much more fun. The team is just very focused on delivering the chapter 2. We can't really do something about it. So what happens to players without a guild? Are you expected 500 pixels buy for a player to get the guild with lands? So from Pixels team, we will be leaning more towards funneling the rewards towards guilds and land ownership first because it's a better filter for real players. We have to figure out a balance of completely free-to-play rewards, VIP rewards, and a tier that goes further. There are different tiers of rewards, and that depends if you are a landowner or you have a VIP. So if you can notice the task board, we have this task for VIP, and for landowners, there is the orange one. So those are different tiers of rewards that different players can get depending on what type of player they are. I guess this question just means what happens to those players who don't want to spend for a guild or doesn't have a land to get those higher tiers. So I think the solution for this, guys, is through renting. And in this video, we want to feature how PLOTS Finance platform works. Basically, this platform features free in-game NFTs. And if we're gonna check the collections that we have here, we have quite a few coming soon. Let's just say you want to use a pixel land for free. You can click on the collections, and then from here, guys, you can see an option for you to use a land. For peer-to-peer, these are NFT assets that come from a different player. For VLND, these are assets that come from PLOTS Finance. And when you click this option, you can buy an ownership if you want and choose the length of term. Click on 3 months or 6 months, and then from here, you guys can see that as I adjust the ownership, I can get a better share of earnings. But if you don't want to spend anything but want to use a land, you can click on 0%. So here you can see a sample breakdown of how it looks like. But basically, guys, you are paying nothing aside from the fee. The other share of earnings will go to the NFT owner or PLOTS Finance, of course. So let's just go over some of the options here as well. We have here the tab for investors. Investors are minters of VLND token and earn passive income. So if you just want to be an investor, you can just buy VLND and you should be able to earn passive income based on how PLOTS Finance generate profit from those rented NFTs. So aside from that, we can also click on NFT owner. If you are an NFT owner who want to lend your asset for lease, then there will be option here for you to list your land, have it players rented under gamer tab. So in the future, guys, there will be other collections as well, not just pixels, but basically the platform offers free in-game NFTs. You can head over to collections and you guys can see here that there will be collections that are coming soon. I think this platform solves a lot of problems, especially for those players in Chapter 2. For those players who don't want to spend for a guild chart or doesn't have a land or can't find a land to get those resources in the Chapter 2. On the other hand, if you just want to earn passive rewards as an investor, you can just click on the investor tab, and then from here you can mint VLND and earn passive rewards based on how PLOTS Finance is doing. Then for NFT owners who have idle assets, you can lend your NFTs to gamers and earn passive income. And yeah, let's talk about airdrop, guys. So here we have the Part 3 rundown. All participants of Part 1 and Part 2 are eligible to register for the plots during pre-sale at a price of 0.015 per token. The minimum purchase is around $50. Those who purchase the presale will also receive an additional boost for their airdrop. Now, if you're interested for this presale, you can use my code and you should be able to get an additional points of around 2,500. If you only have points and you don't want to buy the tokens, you can obviously opt out of the presale and you will still receive your full airdrop for any points you accumulated in parts 1, 2, and 3. Anyone not eligible for this limited presale may purchase plots during public presale with a price of around 0.025 per token. After that will be a token launch. And next to that is PLOTS platform launch, which will be on the second quarter of this year, which is the one I was talking about. Of course, this is just a demo, but I hope I was able to inform you about PLOTS Finance and how it can possibly help you, whether you're an investor, whether you're a gamer who doesn't want to spend money in pixels, or you are an NFT owner from these collections. So yeah, guys, that's just all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.